There's little Brett. Let's see him take off. All right, there goes Brett. All right, Sierra, you got anything to say?
Yes.
What's that?
Really?
See you later. There she goes. Little Brett. There goes Brett. Okay, I gotta adjust this band. There's Sierra way over there. There you go. Stop it. There's Brett. Yeah. Let's see some riding. See some action. Brett's fixing to cross over. Boom, there he goes. Where is he? There he is. There's Sierra. Oh, sorry, it's hard to find this thing. There you go, behind a hay bale. There you go. What's up, girly girl? Brett is nowhere to be seen. You go ahead, I'll film you. And she's gone. There's Brett somewhere. Where is he? There he is. Can't find him. Oh, zoom out. I missed you, man. I was trying to zoom in and all that. I missed you. Hey, look, I want you to zip to that bunch of trees, that big bunch, and zip back where I can get you coming straight at me. Okay? Those trees are pretty far off. I'm zooming it as much as it'll zoom by 70. Boy, when you zoom it, it's real sensitive to movement. Use my hand to steady it. There we go. Oh, I got to get them both in. Right. And here comes Brett through the mud trap. He had to help his sister through. Now she's going to walk across. Come on. She should have wore mudders. That's why I bought them. There's a boy and his motorcycle. They are not soon parted. Here comes Sierra. Up on hers. All right, I got to start mine and follow them. Whoa! Trying to